Hello traders and welcome to Wesley Forex Academy. My name is wesleyajomiwe and I'm the owner and creator of Wesley Forex Academy. On this platform we offer secrets and tutorials on how to trade, trading signals, trading strategies and reliable trading systems. Alright guys, if in case after this episode you have a question, you want to ask me anything, feel free to contact me using my details here, my phone number. You can tag me on WhatsApp, you can send me a mail using my Gmail, and do not forget to join my Telegram channel. Alright guys, today I want to make a little review on divergence trading strategy, how to trade boom and crash, also volatility using divergence guys. Before I proceed, click on the subscribe button guys. I'm going to give you 5 seconds for that. One, two, three, four, and five. I hope you actually click the subscribe button, guys. Alright, so straight to these lectures. I'm going to be slow and calm so you can really understand what I'm trying to say. I already made a video on regular divergence, and I said in that video, if actually you haven't watched that video, just check my videos. You're going to see it. Trading boom and crash in bracket divergence trading strategy. Alright, I'm going to teach this. I'm going to really explain it as if I haven't made a video on it, so new guys on this channel, on this video, can really understand what I meant or what I need to explain. Alright, so what is divergence? That is the question now. Divergence, I define divergence in my own way as a disagreement between my chart and my indicators. Alright, the only indicators we use to spot divergence are the RSI, the CCI, that is the commodity trending index, the stochastic, and also the MACD. I myself, I enjoy using the stochastic and the RSI. My RSI, I use period 14. Those are the default settings. For that, I use the default settings to trade divergence. So the indicator that is here on my chart is the RSI. You can see period 14. Nothing much about it, just the default settings. Alright, so as I was saying, divergence. This is when you have a disagreement between your chart and your indicator. I don't really mean that your chart and indicator are going to be struggling, and no. What I just want to say is that your chart will be showing you a lower high followed by a higher high, but your indicator is going to be showing you a higher high followed by a lower high. Alright, do not get confused actually. What I'm trying to say here is that your indicator might be your indicator might be showing you that this high. Okay, how am I gonna do that? Okay, can be showing you okay that this is a high actually. Then the next high coming is higher than the previous one. You understand? So this may be what your indicator is showing you. But on your chart, what you might actually have is something like this. You might actually have a higher high first, then a lower high. So you see, this is kind of confusing. This is a disagreement. Why is it that actually on your indicator you have a lower high followed by a higher high, but on your chart you're having a higher high followed by a lower high? Alright, this is what we call divergence. This is when your indicator and your chart are actually in disagreement. They are showing you different things. Alright, so let us move straight to our chart. Let's just use the live chart now. Alright, this is the live market condition of crash 1000. This is it guys. Okay, so if you check on my chart now, you don't draw this trend line on my chart. You can see that I have a lower high. A higher high, then a high also that is higher than the previous two highs. But if you check on my indicator now, you can see that I have a high here. You see, so this is more like a disagreement between my chart and my indicator, because on my chart I have something like this, but on my indicator I'm having something like this. On my indicator. You understand? So this is the disagreement we're talking about, because on my chart I have a lower high, then a higher high, but on my indicator I have a higher high here, then a lower high. If you can check that, actually you can see that, yeah, true, you can see. So it is a disagreement, guys. This is more like a mistake, more like an error. So whenever we spot this, how do we take entries? First of all, this is a regular bearish divergence. This is showing a bearish trend, showing a possible change of trend. This market has been on an uptrend, and this divergence is trying to say that this market is going to be on a downtrend soon. So as a smart trader, what do you do to actually take advantage of this? Take advantage of this strategy, to take advantage of the trend reversal that we are about to have. Alright, I have two trading strategies, two entry strategies actually that I use to trade this. And you can see that the market is already rejecting on that side. You can see it, guys. The market is already rejecting. We're having some reversal candlestick patterns over here. You can see a pin bar or a hammer, whatever you call it, and then the market is already crashing. Alright. It's so unlucky that I'm not going to be uploading this video immediately when I'm making it. If not, you should have taken the signal if the conditions have been met. So what are the conditions now? Our entry. The way I take entry, I connect lows, guys. I use my trend line to connect lows, the most recent low in the chart. So I'm just going to draw my trend line like this. You see, we now have something like a triangle. So where is my entry going to be? My entry is going to be on the break of this triangle. If price eventually breaks this trend line, I'm going to enter on the next candle. My stop loss is just going to be above here, guys. It's just going to be above here. Then my take profit could be this support, or I take it down to this support. If the market continues scratching, then we continue going and not in the market. So that is how I actually trade divergence. So my stop loss is going to be above here. My take profit is going to be here. My take profit 1, my take profit 2, my take profit 3, my take profit 4, and so on and so forth. So guys, another thing about divergence is that at least it should be spotted on 2 time frames. And then it is so perfect that we have a divergence on the H4 also. You also have a divergence on the H4. If you check your 1 hour time frame, you're also going to see a divergence. And this is perfect. This is a perfect signal. This is a perfect intro. We are just going to wait for this, guys. I'm going to follow this market up to make sure that if this market actually goes in our favor, I'm going to send the signal to my group, my Telegram channel. Alright, so let us check out the signals that have been sent previously, just this past week, guys, just this week. So let's check out the signals from 8th October. Today is actually the 9th October. So let's check out yesterday's signal. You can see that okay, good morning traders, I wish you all a peaceful day from Wesley actually. So yeah, you can see this is some trees that we took using divergence. I actually sent the signal to my VIP. You can see it over here. VIP house, we got the signal, and then everybody's milking. Then at this point, here, I told all members to actually answer. I told them this could be another entry for a sell. So the smart ones actually took a sell on the 500. I also sent another signal on my VIP plus 500. You can see a spike trade and everybody is milking. I told them to keep holding and then went in profit. Nice one. That is how we did VIP milking. This is an update on the 500 I actually sent on my VIP and also on the free group, guys. So let's see how far it goes. See, right from this time, we have been holding this tweet for about 3 hours, 3 hours in profit. Another sell entry on 500. I also told them to add a position, and then this signal actually was based on divergence. You can see I told them another sell entry on 500 brief of the 200 EMA when it spots the divergence. I told them if you have a big account, enter a sell again on 500. I gave them a stop loss. PT was in my VIP to manage risks, guys. So you can see the profit. 0.20 giving us $12 profit. That is not just all, guys. Let's keep seeing what happened. Alright, CP2 was hit in my VIP. I told them to still hold. I'm gonna send CP3. That is how we make boom 500 yesterday, guys. You can see everything was just going smooth out. I even sent a voice note and everything. and then we closed 500 in deep profit. We used our TP2 as stop loss, and then the market took us out, hitting our take profit, which was used as our stop loss then. So let's check out. See, I also sent a range break signal on my VIP, and then it went in profit. My data is not actually connected now. I've downloaded that. My data is not connected. It is connected. So the range break actually went in blues, guys. It went in blues. My VIP is sends a signal to them and all that, guys. So you can see this guy actually had a $10 account, and then just yesterday he doubled the equity. He made $9 using proper risk management. And he said, I did not close in time. That was why I had such losses. So it was as if he wasn't really following instructions. He was not available at the moment I sent the instructions. So he had a little loss. He had to pay for that actually. So these are the signals, guys. These are what we do in my channel. This is how we do it, guys. I also send analysis and all that to help your trading. These are spike trade, guys. I have working spike strategy, So we milk it, we milk the market on my VIP, guys.